Welcome to how E-Rate can increase your internet speed and how PCS International can help. What is E-Rate? E-Rate is a federal reimbursement program for getting internet access into the hands of students in the classroom. Things like Wi-Fi routers, switches, firewalls, your internet service, and the service and maintenance to run all of it. You can apply in the fall for this year for reimbursement for projects next year. You must strictly follow the E-Rate process in order to get your funding, though. The Coleman Group can be contracted to handle all of the paperwork and to provide you with guidance for the E-Rate process. What are the requirements? SIPA-compliant internet filtering is required for E-Rate funding. That assures that the internet that's being delivered to the students in the classroom is appropriate. Additionally, you need a technology plan, and PCS International, we can help you with that. And finally, you must use an E-Rate eligible vendor. Not every vendor will qualify. How much internet do I need? It's a very common question. Well, the FCC E-Rate modernization order of 2014 states that the minimum for internet as of 2014 was 100 megabits per 1,000 students. And that was in 2014. Today, the target is 1,000 megabits, or 1 gigabit, per 1,000 students. Now, PCS International can help you reach that goal of getting between 1/2 and 1 megabits per student by creatively selecting vendors which will allow you to get that access. If your classroom is internet dependent, you really should also consider a backup internet line. Because if not, if the first internet line goes down, everybody's no longer working. However, the best practice is you get 2 lines from 2 different vendors, and then you combine them so that as long as both lines are working, you have plenty of internet speed. What internet expenses will qualify? Well, the internet service monthly charge are often immediately discounted, so you don't even have to wait for reimbursement. They are covered. Secondly, the equipment that is needed to deliver internet safely to the classroom will also qualify. Things like your firewalls, caching servers, routers, modems, switches, the wireless access points themselves, and load balancers if you're combining your internet. How can PCS International, MDI Electric, and DataTel help? Well, PCS International has extensive IT maintenance, support, and guidance experience with schools. We can help you with your IT plan. We can create an inventory of the devices which will qualify for E-Rate. And we can even perform IT services, either as a backup to your existing team or as a replacement for them. MDI Electric has extensive wiring experience with schools. Let them evaluate your wiring today and suggest what we need to take your classrooms to the future. DataTel can make sense out of your telecommunication bills, your phone and internet, for example, and help you get the most out of every dollar. How do I get started? Contact PCS International or visit our website, and we'll guide you through every step of the process. The process usually begins with a site survey, so we understand what you have. Then we evaluate your network design, if you've already got one, or we can help you create that. We then create a project for whatever we're implementing, and then an E-Rates part listing so that you can submit it and maximize your reimbursement. Then we can help you with the implementation and the training of your existing team so that we can hand off the deployment to them. My name is Ron Searle with PCS International. We have extensive IT maintenance support experience within schools. MDI Electric is a partner that we've used for many years, and they have extensive wiring experience within schools. DataTel is our partner for all things telecommunication. They can help you analyze your phone and internet bills and get the most out of every dollar.